Going to love the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, DVD system, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, intermittent wipers, variable speed, intermittent wipers, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.